Hey all, I've been getting a bunch of questions lately about the shotgun rig that we use, the GoPro mount and what it is. This is not made by GoPro, we just use their parts, put it together. Originally we were trying to get a slow motion shot of a shell coming out of the chamber, and we had no idea it would pick up what it does. So real quick, here's all it is. We're using the adhesive sticky, which you can see here. Stick it right to the side of the gun. You put this on any gun. You can even put it on a grade 6, 8, 10, whatever gun. It'll peel off without hurting the finish. And then here's the actual mount. Hopefully you can see that all right. So we just run just a quick clip, come out, 90 it up and 90 it over. That's the components. You can use more, you can use less. Essentially, what we're trying to do is accomplish this. So you can see if you're looking at the gun, right? The only thing you'll have to get used to is when you shoulder the gun, make sure it's out of your way. That gives you a clear shot of your sight picture. Man, it's fantastic. Hey, I want to show you some quick footage. A friend of mine, he should be teaching a class on how to shoot a 410. Thanks for watching.
Freight train. Look at that. Nice little double. Oh no. Dos. Oh, that's a tiny one.
One of the most important pieces, what I forgot to mention, is you got to take all these little Phillips head screws and torque them as tight as you can get them, right till they feel like they're about to break. If they're not super tight, they'll move around on you a bit on the rig. If it's a super hot day, you're going to get them a lot tighter. So if you're going to do this before the hunt, maybe put it in a warm environment, let that plastic get good and flexible, and then just torque the fire out of them.